Just one more little thing, folks. Um, I just noticed this little heart is still beating right here. Can you believe that? Killed this fish 3-4 minutes ago, and its little heart must have come out during the operation of sharing with Charlie. And you see it? It's still beating. That's unbelievable, folks. Unbelievable how life goes. It's, life is precious. The little heart doesn't even want to doesn't want to stop. Little, still beating, but not as much now. I think it stopped. Yeah, definitely gave its last beat. There he goes. Still got a few beats left in it. That's unbelievable, folks. Life is amazing. God is amazing. The God that gave this little heart its beat is the God that gives us our beat. Those muscles in there just keep contracting. Life, struggling to survive. Long after the head was cut off, this heart is still beating here, like 5 minutes later now. Those heart muscles, very strong. I give it to Charlie. You gotta something gives up its life so others can live. One more heartbeat. See if we can get one more heartbeat out of it. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Here's Charlie. He's calling for more food. Okay. Let's give him one more piece. Okay, I gotta hold the fish with my camera hand. Cut off another piece for Charlie here. Okay, there we go. Cut off another piece for Charlie. Let's see if we can get one more heartbeat out of it. Yeah, I think the heart is finished. I think the heart finally finished. Still moving. Okay. Okay, Charlie. 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 Come here. Charlie. Charlie. Come here, Charlie. Come here. Charlie. Come here, Charlie. Charlie. Come here, Charlie. Come on, one more piece. Charlie. I can't quite talk to the seagulls yet, but Charlie. Come here. Good thing I don't have any neighbors to wake up this morning. Oh, what am I doing? I'm looking up there. Charlie's sitting right here. Charlie, you've been sitting behind me the whole time? Oh, I'm sorry. I was talking to your partner. Okay, Charlie, come on. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Come on. Oh. Throw it real close to see if he'll come get it. Yeah, Charlie. Here he comes. Oh, Charlie's a good bird. Yeah, I'm not going to hurt you. Remember, I'm Daddy. Daddy's the one that feeds you. Ready for another piece, Charlie? Why not? Why not? It's getting too hard to cut here with one hand. Oh, yeah. How about that? I did it without turning off the camera. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Let's see what you do with this piece. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on. Come get it, Charlie. Take it to your partner. Take it to your partner, Charlie. Come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on. You can trust Daddy. Daddy's not going to hurt you. Who feeds you? Who feeds you? Come on, Charlie. Get it. Come on. Your girlfriend. Or your boyfriend. Get it, Charlie. Come on. Oh, yeah. Daddy's not going to hurt you. Yeah. Come on. Come on. It's a fishy. Fishy, fishy. Yeah. Come on, Charlie. Take it to your girlfriend. Take it to your little sweetie. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's a good boy, Charlie. Yeah. Get it. Get it, Charlie. Come on. No. I'm not going to hurt you, Charlie. Get it. Take it to your girlfriend. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good Charlie. Take it to your girlfriend. Oh, Charlie's a good girl. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh, you're not going to share? Huh? You're not going to share, Charlie? Okay. Oh, look at this piece, Charlie. Oh, look at this piece. You want the whole thing? You want the whole thing? Okay. Share. Share it. There you go. Oh, that's a good. Oh my God. He got a big prize. He's not going to eat it. He's going to take it to his friend. Look. He's calling for the friend. Okay, he's going to take off. Yeah, he's not going to eat that one. Wow. That's really rare, folks. How can a bird be so smart not to share or not to share? That bird is going to give it for his girlfriend or family. Huh? He's going to start calling out. Just snacking on it. He's just snacking, enjoying the fresh blood and meat. Come on. Fly away and give it to your friend. Where's your friend? He's just playing with it. Where's your friend, Charlie? Huh? Huh? Okay, there he goes. There he goes. Okay, let's see if he goes up on top of the boat. He likes that, the wild burro. The boat, the wild burro over there. Now he's calling. Look, he's calling to share. Now he brings it over to the other boat. And up here, okay. Said, I'm coming, Charlie, I'm coming. Okay. Wow, folks, that's amazing. He'll eat one and share one. Eat one and share one. He's playing with it over there to show his friend how tasty and juicy it is. I gotta see how long it takes her to join him. You can hear him calling. I don't see too many fights going on over it though. Not yet anyway. The other seagulls must not be too hungry, otherwise they'd be fighting over it. The air would be full of seagulls calling and yelling and fighting. This, so far to me, looks like a sharing situation where Charlie had one for himself and now he's taking this piece to share with his friend. She just landed up there on that light pole. So maybe they're not that hungry this morning. But there goes all my fresh fish. Now I've got to use, look at that folks, I caught 2 mackerel on this. The first skin that had the bones, I didn't catch nothing. And now the ones with the skin, the good looking skin, I caught 2 already on it. Let's see if we can catch 3. Let's catch another one, okay? Let's catch another one. First thing you gotta do is you gotta get the hook out of the rag. Those barbs, it's the barbs that make hooks hard to deal with, but that's also what keeps the fish on there. Okay, work the bait back down to the hook. Oh, I've caught 5 or 6 mackerel before on a single piece of bait. Okay. The camera just turned off by itself, so don't know whether that means the storage is full or what. But here's another look at the little heart. Finally stopped beating after 10 minutes. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes. Anyway, I just saw a big bass swim past. It's 3, 4, or 5 pounder, who knows, underwater. It's kind of an illusion. But we got our mackerel skin on there. Pretty good looking mackerel skin. Look. The tide is still going out. That's why it's going that way. It's going out. See, yeah, the tide is almost at the bottom now. Just barely pulling out of the bay. It looks like we got about a 6-foot drop over there. You know, from the wet rocks. Looks like about a 6-foot tide or so. Where's Charlie? Where's Charlie? Make sure that's Charlie. Make sure that's Charlie. All right, folks. This is more fun than a guy should be allowed to have. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, folks. I've only had it in the water 10 minutes or 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Look. I tried to set it. They'll be back. If you don't set it too hard, they'll be back. Here they come. Here they come. Look at that. It's a whole school. It's a school. Look at that. Oh my God. This one's pretty good size. I could keep it on there, and the bass would probably come up or a shark or something will probably come up and grab that sucker. Look. A bass or something will come get that sucker. You know? And can you imagine what a fight I'd have on my hand if something came up and ate that thing? I would have one hell of a fight on with no reel and no drag. Where's Charlie? Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Come on, Charlie. I'm just gonna play with this one for a little while because I'm not gonna eat mackerel today. The mackerel are a little bit bigger though than they were a month ago when I was here. They're a little bit bigger. I could take it down to my favorite little fish cook down there on the boulevard and see what they come up with. I'm gonna let this thing sink. Let's let that sucker down there and see if that big bass will bite it. Let's see if that big bass will bite it. That's what you do, folks. But I sure don't have the right setup for a shark or a big ray or even a big bass. Might be able to catch a 3 or 4 pounder on here. Number 10 line and a little bit of flex in the pole. Okay, just play with that sucker. He's tiring out. Getting tired out. Getting tired out. I'll probably lose it. Okay. Aha. Here comes Charlie. Charlie, you ready for another one? Come on. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Come on. Let's give Charlie another fish. Okay? Come on. Okay. Good job. All right. Okay. Here we go. Okay, folks. Let's show Charlie. Look, Charlie. Look. 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 Is that a nice fishy? Huh? Daddy's the greatest fisherman. Right, Charlie? Daddy's such a good fisherman. Daddy's the best daddy in the whole wide world. He catches fish left and right. And he shares it with Charlie, and Charlie shares it with his girlfriend, and the circle of life continues. That's just the circle of life, folks, right here. Let's get the little hook out of its mouth. Pop the old hook out of its mouth, and we'll give Charlie the head again. Charlie likes the heads. Okay. With one hand, everything's hard to do, folks. You got to remember that. One hand. Aha. Pop that little hook out of there. Get the hook over here, out of the way. Look, I still got my bait. I still got my bait, folks. Can you believe that? Okay, so let's cut the head off of here again for Charlie. Okay. Sorry, fishy, but you gotta give your life where others can live, right? Okay, all right. The head cut off. Okay, let's give it to Charlie. Come on, Charlie. Look, look, Charlie. Look, come on. You like the heads? Come on, Charlie. There goes Charlie. Yeah. You gonna eat it or you gonna share it? You gonna eat it or are you gonna share it, Charlie? Aha. What's he gonna do? Oh, he's gonna eat it. They flip it around so the nose and the mouth are first. Slides down the old stomach easier. The old neck, the throat. Was that good, Charlie? Oh boy. Who's the best daddy? Who's the best daddy in the whole wide world? I am. Okay, folks. What the hell? Is this the heart? Okay, yeah, this is the heart popped out when I cut the head off. I got the second heart still beating. Okay. See it? Yeah, it's still the first heart after 10 minutes or so quit beating. The second heart is still beating. Huh. I just cut the head off and the heart pops out. Yeah, that's wild. There's a fresh heart against the old heart. Okay. Wow. It's almost like it's a little organism of its own. It's like a little worm or something trying to survive. This looks like, you know, who knows how life evolved. Each organism inside the body working together to keep the body alive. But each organism has to survive too. See? That's a fresh beating little heart there. Okay. Charlie don't care. He says, I'll eat it. Charlie will eat it. Okay. Let's see if we can cut another piece for Charlie without shutting off the camera. Let's just give him the whole piece. It's too much blood. I got a big bloody mess already. Let's see if we can handle this big piece. Can Charlie handle this? Look. Oh my God. Daddy's so nice. He's almost giving you the whole fish. Look at that. Look at that, Charlie. Oh my God. Oh. What a prize. What a prize. Go share it. Go share. Go share. See? He told his partner he's got a big one. A big fresh one. And see the partner over there? Yeah. Whether it's a he or a she, can't tell. Most likely though, it's the opposite sex, I would say. If Charlie's a boy, it's probably his girlfriend, or if Charlie's a female, it could be her boyfriend. Mother Nature, folks. Mother Nature teaches us all lessons in life. How to survive. Okay, Charlie. Let me see. Pretty soon, I don't want a bunch of seagulls over here. But it is fun to see them share. But when they start fighting, it gets pretty nasty and noisy and everything else. Okay, folks. Should we catch another one? Of course we should catch another one. That's what fishing's all about. Let's clean up our mess here. Clean up our mess. Our bloody rag. The old bloody rag. Let's see if the heart is still beating. You see the heart? The two hearts. The old dead one. The other one lived a lot longer than this one. This one's barely moving. This one's got more of a, almost a defect. Yeah, it looks like a nose, kind of a point. This other heart, I seen a contraction in the other heart even. After 15 minutes, it's still got some life to it, some contractions. Involuntary contractions, they call them. So the muscles are pre-programmed to contract. Huh. It's fascinating. The old heart This is the old heart from 15 minutes ago. This is the new one that's barely moving. The old heart, I've seen a contraction. Huh. This new heart looks kind of deformed in a way. Got a weird peak on it, pico on it. Won't need our old bait. That bait, this is skin from yesterday. This is, I don't know what this is. Just a piece of muscle, tissue. Okay, look at that, folks. Let's see how many mackerel we can catch on one piece of skin. Okay, I've caught 2 or 3 so far. 2. One got away. We had one mackerel we were playing with and it got away. So that'd be 3 mackerel on the same skin here. Just push it down here on the line to the hook. Get the hook right in there like that. Okay, see it? Can you see that, folks? That's what, hanging down like that. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Throw it out there. Get control of the pole. Get control of the pole. Okay, there's the bait sinking. Oh, glad I got this wheelchair in a way. It's nice having a wheelchair. Okay, see, I can put the pole in between my legs here and control. What, you know, now I can use one hand for the camera, cleaning up over here on my rag. Got the 2 hearts still beating. Barely. One is 15 minutes old, the other one's just 2 or 3 minutes. Look at my hands, folks. Don't you just love fish hands? My little woman would have a fit if she saw that. Hi, honey. You want to give me a hug? How about a kiss? Look at that. Okay, folks, look. We've had it less than a minute, folks. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Here they come. They're schooling. They're schooling. Oh, shit. Look, there it is. It's going to get hit. It's going to get hit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. It's getting hit left and right. I don't even have to set the hook, folks. Just let them set it in themselves. The harder they play with it and run, it's probably already set in one of them here. I gotta change hands here for the camera. No, nothing's eating the bait yet. Good morning.
Any luck?
Oh yeah, I'll go. Security just came by. I don't want to push it to the limit here. They like the boat owners that are the big buck guys that pay a lot and rent and pay their salaries. I'm Freddie the freeloader over here. Freeloading and fishing. Yeah. Oh shit. There we go. Look. I think he's on there. Look. Yeah. I think he's on there. There we go. Let's impress the security. Let's see if the security likes fishing. People that like fishing, they love it. Some people love it and other people don't. It all depends, I think, on how you're taught the first years of fishing and first time you go fishing. If your dad made it fun and your grandpa made it fun, even your mom. My daughters know how to fish. They take their boys fishing and their daughters fishing. Just play with it, folks, and just play with it. Nothing better to do than play with mackerel in the morning. Maybe we'll get hit by a big shark or a bass or a stingray. Then we'll have a big problem on the little line. There we go, look at that. Make it jump. Make it jump. At least wait for the security to come back. Here he comes. Here he comes. Let's take a look, folks, at the security. There we go. Oh, yeah. Got it. I got it, yeah. You too. Thank you. Gotta keep the security happy, folks. Okay? If you want to continue the good life, keep the boys in blue happy. I know I was one of them. The best, Albuquerque PD was the best at keeping the boys in blue happy. The Albuquerque is known for its green hatch chili, the green hatch chilies. The food made with green hatch chilies, world famous. And some of those Mexican restaurants over there would treat us boys in blue very nice with a meal, green hatch chili.